Today we're going to talk about pointers. So a pointer is a type of object whose value is the address of another object. And so, the reason that we would use pointers is to be able to work with values without accessing them directly. And so let's just start out by drawing out an example here of what we're talking about. So let's say we have an int val equals 5. So this 5 has a place in memory. Just for simplicity, we'll say it's 1 times x 1000. You've got this piece of memory, and it contains the value 5. And this is val. So val is in memory here. And so let's make a pointer to val. So the way that you make a pointer is it's going to contain the same type. So it's in a pointer to an int. So we make an int, and then we're going to say star, and this star is the key here. PTR. That's a conventional way to name pointers. You don't have to do it like that, but oftentimes people do. And then we're going to use this ampersand val. So this is how you declare a pointer. This right here is going to declare a pointer. And as I said before, a pointer is an object. So you're still going to create this new object in memory. And we'll just say, we'll come down here and say it's not necessarily contiguous memory, but just for this example, we'll say it is the next value in memory. So this next value in memory is a pointer to the address of val. So looking at this here, what's this going to contain? Literally the address of val. It's going to be 1 times 1000. So that's what a pointer is. This is exactly how a pointer is declared. We have it declared here, and the star is what makes a value a pointer. Because again, you have the type is the same as whatever you're going to be pointing to. And so what can we do with a pointer? Well, we can do a lot of different things. So let's say, for example, we wanted to output 5 using our pointer variable, our PTR variable. Well, if I say cout PTR, we'll say and then I'll do another example in a second, but let's start with this. So what gets output? What's good? We'll do our output over here. What's going to get outputted from this first line? Well, what's PTR? PTR is this address. So the first thing that's going to get outputted is this address. But that's not what we wanted. That's never going to be helpful to a user. An address is just some random collection of numbers and letters, and that's not helpful to us at all. So how do we get this 5 val from our pointer variable? Well, we're going to cout. We're still going to cout PTR, but what are we going to change here? We need to dereference it. So what is a dereference operator? Dereference operator. A dereference operator is the same as what you declare a pointer with. It's the star. So you've got to be careful when you're using the star because, again, it's both the dereference operator and how you declare. So this second line of output, let's call this 1 and 2. We've got 1 here. 2 is going to output 5 because you dereferenced pointer and then you outputted it. So again, the dereference operator gives you access to the original value. So basically what you can think of is you've got this pointer variable pointing to this val variable, and this dereference operator traces the value of pointer to this address. So it goes to this address. So when you dereference, you're here, and it takes you to this point in memory, and then it returns that value to you. So just see that more clearly, this dereference operator takes you to this place in memory, and then returns the value. That's how a dereference operator works. So that's a basic intro to pointers, and we'll do more next time.